Well, it always takes longer than you think it's going to, but here's the tender chassis and the dimensions that we have for the royal blue body. And this bar here represents the motor controller and the height of the bracket for the power distribution panel. That's just a space holder, you might think of. And here is the framework for the sound system that the two boards would fit inside that frame. And then this adapter here is for the buck boost boards, and they would screw onto it. And I've got it up in the air, as you can see, and I'm just about ready to start adding my little mounting pads. I'm going to come off the back of that and then come out to this area here and add some foot, that will come in. It would not obstruct the piece over here. I want to keep it about an inch above, 1 millimeter above the board there. So it's going to reach over and come back like a Y or a T, and then it's going to screw probably up through the bottom. I like that better. I think that just makes that piece. And I'll probably do something very similar here. I would come out and go to the side so the pivot part is open. And in here is where we thought we would put in the speaker. This is not to scale, but it gives you the idea of where the speaker could fit. And it would go in the back. It looks like there's going to be plenty of room. I need to verify all my dimensions multiple times because you never know. You can be off. What I think I'll do is print this piece and this piece all in one in a very high speed, low density print, fast, and then test fit a few pieces. I can print this in about 20 minutes, and it just saves me a couple hours of fiddling with dimensions and trying to make a sketch. I got a real part in front of me, and I can say, oh, I need to move it here, move it there, and boom, I can do that. I put in the 6-wheel tender just so you could get an idea of scale and how that might look. There's the 2-wheel tender. And I know Leon wants me to change these coils out. He wants it to look more sculpted, more like the Hudsons. And I will do that after I get this ironed out. So I think what I'm going to do, I've been called up for lunch and she wants to do some chores, so okay. I'll print this plate and this board together so I can see what that looks like, and then I'll go from there. So after lunch, a little more work, and we will see how far I can get today. I'm hoping I'll get the parts installed in at least a mock-up, if not the final version. All right, gang, progress as we go. We'll get this soundboard system installed and get these buck boost boards installed and figured out. There it is. And we got to get the 7805 in here somewhere. I'm looking whether it's on the side here, the top, maybe the front. I'll find a spot. It looks like I've got plenty of room. I'm only at about 25 now, and we got 40, so it looks like I'm coming in pretty good shape. So more later.